Good morning, QSI International School of Benin Lions. Today is Tuesday, April 21st. Teachers have put together a Zoom schedule for the coming weeks based on the last 2 weeks of Zoom classes that you have all participated in. We have students on 4 continents, over 8 time zones, and we're doing our best to make sure that we can bring all of our students together in a classroom setting at least once or twice a day in order for them to have that type of synchronous education along with the asynchronous education that's on Moodle. I hope all of you are well. I hope you're doing okay. I hope your families are safe and happy. I want to let you know too that the teachers had discussed success orientation awards for this coming quintile, and we'll be sending out notices after the weekend on that as well. I hope all of you are doing well, and I wish you all a great week.